All right, y'all, peep game. Right now we got, get this camera up there a little bit now. All right, right here, my good friends, we have this Super Turtle Sakura, right? Don't mind all my tabs and stuff up there. Stop hating. Stop hating. Focus on right here. This is who we're about to print. Super Turtle Sakura. And yes, we are on Nikko Industries, where we stay. Because this nigga's got the coolest shit. I know you see that STL up there in the back. They got some cool stuff. They ain't got the tightest shit. You know what I mean? All right, back to work. This is why I have trouble recording videos. Like, I'm all over the place. Anyway, back to this. This is the size generally they come in. As you see, right? And so far, the newer models have been fully painted. That's the size of the ones that every time I print one, this is what you're gonna get. Makes it a lot easier to paint and a lot harder for kids to break, right? So, boom. We're gonna go right here. We're gonna hit this. We're gonna scale it up. We're gonna pick which one. Look, 200. Does it fit? It's like it fits to me. Now, this is what I mean. Generally, not all of them are going to be about the same size because depending on the geometry, their hair, add-ons, things like that, it changes. But they're all big as hell. Right? So we're going to open this up over here. We already have our settings. First thing we're going to do, though, since we're putting this on a P1P, we're going to get rid of these. Going to come up here. And bam. Now, something I do. When I for printing at home and my kids, I'm testing out on 9%, right? And they're pretty thick, they're hard to break. But to customers, send 15% to be sure that ain't happening. So at home, real quick, 9%. Aligned, I do not use a brim on these turtles. I will use some supports, even if I don't need to sometimes, just to be safe. Everything looks good. All right. Real quick note, some of you guys, I'll make another video of this. Let's say there was another one of these. I'll make an example real quick. Cool trick. We're gonna copy this, paste it over there. Let's shrink it down. We're gonna put another one this size right next to it. Now, let's just say I don't want both of these to print with supports. Here's a model and some things, settings people don't get. So see this right here? Called objects. You select which one you want. Go to objects. You're gonna get this little section of things right here. And you can pick which one. As soon as you click it, it's gonna go to it. Now, clicking on it here in objects instead of global, global does everything. Objects is gonna pick just one of them. And then you can come down here and individually pick different settings for different sections, different items. So we only want to have this one with supports. So we'll take that off because this one has supports, as you see. That's not going to print. This one will. Now, to prove the theory, we go up here to slice. We look at it. Ooh, generating infill pad. I got so much junk open. I'm surprised that it's even working right now. coffee break. They only want me for my ambition. Am I gonna get a copyright on that one? Oh my God, there's serious conflict. It's conflicting. Well, we're all talking on Discord. Do you want to bother me about conflicts in my 3D print? Anyway, so this model doesn't really even need supports, but like right here, as you see, and let's explore that. So this tab over here on the corner, yeah, one day I'll get a better setup. But right now, check it out, check it out, check it out. Okay, if you see right here, we have lines, right? And it should just, let me get the right angle. My mouse is super fast. So we're gonna go line by line and something should just appear right above it. Boom, see, right there is the contact point. So we're gonna go over here to this model and look, it's just floating. So normally you don't want that because that's squiggly line bullshit right there. As soon as you get there, see, there's nothing there and it's just gonna appear. So you gotta watch for stuff like that. That would be if I was gonna go into just painting it myself, I would just stick it right there. Oh, look, we got another. Well, you think you slick another one there in the back, boy. But anyway, that's enough of me rattling on, guys. That's how you do that. Meantime, we're coming back over here and let's get rid of it. All right. Let's go ahead and hit this, see what it do. All right. This is going to take us 4 hours, 45 minutes. It's going to use up 145 grams total. Support is 4.3. Mostly these things. Yeah, they're right, not right. I gauge it on my own, kind of looking at it. And I'm kind of weird. I can tell time by what's left on my filament roll before I have to go to work. That much time. Maybe I've been doing this too. But anyway, cool ass file. She's coming out and she will be available in the store tomorrow. If you're watching, thank you. There'll be more of this. Holler at me if there's something in 3D printing you want to see. You have not seen in someone else's video. I'll show it to you.